happy holidays. Get it? Holidays, get it? Well, I did some damage in the Black Friday Cyber Monday deals, and now we sit here and wait, with two exceptions. BGS and Yesstyle are the only two that have delivered for me so far. Gotta love Yesstyle's express shipping though. How many of you know? Today's haul includes kbeauty, jbeauty, and cbeauty. I do have some updates to give. If you want to just get into the haul, I'll have timestamps and links in the description box below. But I wanted to let you all know that for the month of December, I am kind of doing a trial. I'm doing jbeauty, a whole jbeauty routine, no specific brand, just a bunch of jbeauty products, including updates to some that I hauled a while ago. My Milano CC Essence is still going strong. It is crystal clear, still. So we're gonna test that in December as well. Ah, the crinkle noises of an unboxing. But I found something so interesting. This is the Pure Cotton facial mask from One Thing. And here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking this will be different enough from my compressed sheet masks, which I've talked a lot about how I make my own masks with those. The problem is that system only works with really watery toners. So I thought, since these are not quite as compressed, obviously, we might be able to use some of my more viscous toners with this. So we're gonna try that this morning with the COSRX 6 Peptide Skin Booster. This is one that it's just a little bit too thick to work really well in doing a compressed sheet mask. So you get 20 of these in the package. I'm going to, how am I gonna soak this? I just have my little small fruit bowl. I guess I'll kind of have to fold it up a bit to fit it in here. Maybe I'll grab a plate in the future and then just get to spraying this down. Yeah, this is working great. Oh, this is working wonderfully. And maybe this might look better on me than my compressed sheet masks as well. We'll find out together. Okay, I don't think I missed any spots. Let's apply this. It's still big. I mean, this is good news for some of you, for sure. Most of the compressed sheet masks are a little small. It's not gonna look cute, though. It's once again, Alice making herself not look cute at all on camera. Is she cute? Is she cute? I'm going to check back in with you in about 10-15 minutes. Well, that sure did work. Almost too well. Look at how shiny my skin is. I really pushed all of those humectants deep into my skin. So these were more expensive than the compressed sheet masks, but glad I got them. Hypothesis proven over here. And then for serums, I bought the Mushroom Collagen Ampoule from I'm From. Remember that collagen is a wonderful humectant. It doesn't increase collagen in your skin, it acts as a humectant. I bought a few products from this brand called APLB. They look like they're doing some interesting things. They are disclosing the percentages of their actives. It's another brand that it kind of reminds me of Mary & May in that it's a little bit of lower percentages, but that's fine. I feel like people might have an inclination to avoid these brands that are disclosing lower concentrations of actives in their products, but for me, that's actually appealing. Because I have a sneaking suspicion that the brands that aren't disclosing are probably using similar levels as well. So let's just get to the bottom of it and find out how low can we go. We're limboing with our skincare over here. So anyway, that was the glutathione ampoule serum, and I also bought the Mist Essence. I'm not sure what order to go in, so I think we'll have to open these first to see what the texture is like. The Mist Essence looks lighter than I thought it would be. I don't know if this is really capturing on camera. It looks like it's pretty milky on the screen, but it actually doesn't look quite as milky in real life. I think we'll use this first. Well, actually, that looks about the same. This is more watery. It looks the same. Let me see what the texture on the I'm From is like. I don't know what order to go in. I like thinnest to thickest, but look at this. This looks thicker. All right. Is it thicker? We're just gonna pump some out and find out. Let's see. APLB here. Okay, we've settled it. The I'm From is a little bit thicker. Yes, That settles it. So we'll do the mist essence first. Oh no. Oh, isn't this an absolutely gorgeous ingredients list? Now I am remembering why I added this to my cart. It looks so nice. So we have 2% niacinamide, hydroxyethylurea, glutathione at 0.1%, lotus extract, artemisia, rice extract, Saccharomyces ferment. This is so many of my favorite ingredients. So the ampoule serum, their glutathione niacinamide ampoule serum, appears to be just a little bit more concentrated in comparison to the essence. And again, it's pretty lightweight, so I think this could work for all skin types. They just looked like such a cute little brand to me. I had to try out some of their products. Let me know if any of you have seen or heard about this brand before. My skin does not feel like it is lacking hydration at all at this point, which makes it funny that the other product I bought is the I'm From Mushroom Collagen Ampoule, which promises to provide elasticity and glow to rough and sagging skin. I already have so much glow going on. But whatever, I want to try it. Does this have a smell? Not to my nose. I do feel like I'm From is a little unpredictable in that aspect. They used to have a lot of scented options. All right. And they're saying this has 20% mushroom in this product. I just have to be honest with you all that I am having a real hard time giving first impressions of these hydrating products because this first step we did today was so mega hydrating, so much more so than I expected it to be, that it's really making it hard to gauge the hydration levels. I mean, you can see my skin it's glowing. Don't worry, I did buy a powder. We're gonna powder later in this video. But I'm just gonna go ahead and apply sunscreen. I feel like my skin is hydrated and a bit moisturized. Does this make sense? Yeah, okay, this does make sense since these are more of creamy serum ampoules. And if this sunscreen from B.Lab, the Matcha Hydrating, is moisturizing as well, we should be good to go. A lot of sunscreens do indeed act as moisturizer. 40% recycled plastic. This is SPF 50+, PA4+. Let's go ahead and try this on today. Looks like we do have some Tenisorb M in this particular formula. It smells like a pool float. I think this is this is the second to last sunscreen that I'm trying for this year because I also bought the Skin Aqua UV gel. The gel specifically because I figure it will be a nice body sunscreen. Granted, I don't know how much I'll be wearing body sunscreen in this cold weather we're having, but I'm so excited for our wrap up our year-end best sunscreens video. I'm so excited for it because I found some incredible sunscreens. That's the first layer. Let's do the second layer. Y'all, I have a question. What is going on with this new resurgence in people not liking sunscreen? I put that so lightly. It's that people are anti-sunscreen. Again, have you seen all these posts? We have these absolute Teletubbies running around telling people that the sun is good for you and it's sunscreen that is bad for you. Sorry, I shouldn't have said that. Tinky Winky does not deserve this. It's just so frustrating because it's not like we don't have any research on this. We have a lot of research on this. I'm preaching to the choir. I know I'm preaching to the choir, but it's just, I just don't understand it. Do I love this sunscreen, or is it just that we had such a good start with doing that sheet masking method? I don't know. All I know is that doing a sheet mask daily is wonderful. It is wonderful. We're moving into the makeup section. I'm going to start with my eye area, and here's the products that we have. I bought 2 jbeauty products. I don't like saying this brand name on YouTube, but I'll have it up on the screen for you. And then this eyeliner this is a liquid eyeliner and gel eyeliner, gel from Cezanne. I bought a McQueen New York eyeshadow brush, and I went back to Judy Doll for another eyeshadow palette in their Disney collection. So here we have the Mickey Mouse palette, and this is the Coconut Latte shade. That gold in here, I cannot believe how pretty this is. Oh, I'll have to swatch it next to my Band-Aid. Okay, look at that, beautiful gold. And this brush is so petite. I'm holding it up next to, what's my smallest Sephora brush? I think the 15. That is about the size of the Sephora 15. I don't want to take forever on eyeshadow, so I'm just going to use these 3 mattes in here. And I did put down my Urban Decay Anti-Aging Primer, by the way. I pretty much always use eyeshadow primer. This lightest matte was a little bit powdery, but these two are working out just fine. I really like the medium tone brown shade here. That's an excellent quality matte eyeshadow. So I think I want to try to build up some depth in the crease with this one. It's a satin shade, so I'm going to try this brush with it. Yep, that gave us depth for sure. I'm just going to apply the gold shade with my fingers because it just works so much better in general. Look at that. Beautiful. And then for better precision, I'll use the other end of the McQueen brush. Ooh, ooh. That is leading to fallout. I don't know if I actually like that gold shade. I thought it was going to be my favorite in the palette, but I feel like it's not translating to as much pigment as I thought it would, and it was such a messy shade to work with. Let's get into these jbeauty eyeliners next. So this is the Super Waterproof Prime Liquid Eyeliner. That is a brush tip. It says it is 0.1 millimeters. I know this brand is very popular for their mascara, so I was thinking maybe they do eyeliner well as well. I'll tell you why I'm voicing over in just a second, but I have to show you the Cezanne Gel Eyeliner in 60 Orange Brown. This is so pretty. I cannot believe how nicely it applied. Has a beautiful shimmer to it. So nice. We lost audio over here, so I'll just have to catch you up on the last 2 products that I used. I bought the ZC Pegasus Psychedelic Velvet Light Air Cushion, and yet again, I'm very happy with this. It is a perfect shade match for me. It is such a different cushion. It's not your standard cushion. I haven't figured out what they're doing differently, but it's definitely something very different here, and I also love the applicator on this. My only surprise in ordering this cushion is that in contrast to Catkin, you don't get a refill. So Catkin is far more generous with their BB cream, but I have to say it does look very nice on my skin. Wonderful match. And then I went back to Catkin for powder. I bought the Catkin Air Loose Setting Powder in C01, and it is beautiful as well. I think Catkin is really an excellent brand for powder as well as for cushion foundation. I just wanted to try one from ZC. So we're caught up and now we are on blush. I decided to buy another Peripera blush. This is Pure Blushed Sunshine Cheek from the Maltese collection. I had bought a lip recently from this collection and it was so cute. Look at this. It's so cute. Now let's see how this shade is. It looks like it's going to be really light, but probably really pretty. It's a gradient blush, so I'm just gonna swirl my brush in here and pick up both shades. I'm gonna actually try to pick up the deeper shade this time. All right, deeper shade over here. You know what? It's just a light blush. That's fine. That's kbeauty style. That's what it's gonna be. If you do have fair skin, listen, these are very foolproof blushes. If you have a deeper skin tone, probably will not show up. But again, check out ZC's blushes. I'll link my kbeauty video. And hey, you know, with it being so light, I can definitely go very heavy on the blush today. It's sad that I'm losing the little embossing already though. I didn't buy a mascara, so what I'm gonna do is spray my face down and then apply my mascara after my face sets. I find this helps with the longevity of mascara, that's why I do it in this order. And then we'll come back for some lip products. We are almost done with today's entire skincare and makeup look. I'm going to use this Judy Doll lip liner. I'm not sure it's going to go as well with the Amuse lip. Well, no, maybe it will. I bought shade 1, so I expect this to be pretty light. Oh, how nice is this? They give you a sharpener in the package. It's kind of peachy, not quite my lips, but pretty close. it's just so hard to find lip liners in kbeauty that I was really excited and had to try one of these. And our last item of all is the Dew Velvet Amuse in shade 07 Jazz. This is the product that I picked for my monthly Yesstyle freebie. Alright, so I'm gonna try the gradient lip today. Is that it? I mean, it's so fast to apply. Is that it? That is extremely comfortable on, and yet, you know what? That's a really pretty color. I like it. Alright, let's do some final thoughts. It's hardest to do final thoughts on an initial impression of skincare, but I can tell you I am extremely glad I bought the One Thing Pure Cotton Facial Masks. They are going to give me exactly what I hoped they would. The sunscreen was really nice as well, worked as a perfect primer under this makeup, and I'm really excited to try more of the APLB products. I don't feel like I can really review them on a first impression, but I will come back with more thoughts in time, some kbeauty speed reviews. And as for the makeup, I am blown away by both of the jbeauty eyeliners. They're such nice quality. Blown away by those. I also really like the ZC cushion. Oh, and the Judy Doll lip liner, I'm gonna have to get a deeper shade because that's just a hint too light for me, but it is nice. It's very nice. And it comes with a sharpener. And my friends, that's it for this Yesstyle haul. I will include my rewards code in the description box below and on the screen if you would like to place an order and get an additional discount. Remember to combine that with whatever coupon is going on. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you all next time.